kuendenda mboriyalesa mpoyenda fiwa likulu leta duru da fureya hana mvura ya chiruru baturu barutofa tuba machero makuru bambaseranda tiserwa chitangani ukopera una mavele na matangani dorobuni ndikarerisa tangani chiampa batishi ambingoli shikanani kababe nabo bakokekura yakumbura ndiche mtuku bakombebura chitambela nandishi madiba debura naundi king chipembe na debura chinenda kowisha prena ndiashitiva bakoshipa and the most I want who I am.
Now my life is so clear, I can see through shining stars up to Mars. It's amazing. I feel so brand new, like I'm the only one beautiful. I just cannot let it go.
Ona niche mwana, loba nichipuwa happy hezi ndiko hana. Pezi ndono hula ndiko wana siko fana. Atiko edera na michemo iko fara. Bako wana, niko paka tukutanga ine niko pata. Niko wera wanje, niko uya kapa. Atina shaka, pezi nito wana panda. Nika dosiko na sabuchiro uno hata. Niko la musika doli chia niko kanda. Nina mizofi, rotanga na riko chacha. Rotanga nezo kude zini la uniswa. Banga sitende ndaba kuza wadomisa. Niko vera pata rebe paya ndo imisa. Na mashoko daba Amerika niko diwa. Nina nitibe, bananya na bako pizza. Bari niko tamanga nishoga bako sifa.
Now my life is so clear, I can see through shining stars up to Mars. It's amazing. I feel so brand new, like I'm the only one beautiful. I just cannot let it go. I was a child who never knew what it meant to be loved by the ones around me. Couldn't believe it when they say I will make it through, but down life goes.
I was a little boy confused, running down up the streets. Safety and secured from a good household, but no one really knew what I wanted. See, I had a father who was always cool, try to give me everything. But the problem was he was unemployed. Had a mother who was working for my dad's friend Lloyd. Financially, we were not that good, but we strive and try to make a way through. Time went by, his splash had to go to school. Yes, it was cool, but sometimes we had no food. Felt like a fool, wanted to quit school, but mama always told me education is the key to success.
Now my life is so